Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on pundix. In today's video, we will take a look at this big harmonic bullish reversal setup, and I also want to show you this down channel and this breakout as well, and we will also take a look at this big triangle that pundix has formed on the weekly time frame. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this big harmonic bullish reversal setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 29th of January, when the price line of pundix completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal bat move on the weekly time frame. And this is the buying zone or potential reversal zone that starts from 76.8 cents and goes to 57.8 cents. And our sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic move, are from $1.33 and goes to $1.92. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line is still moving inside this buying zone. We had a very long spike up to here at $1.77. We moved very close to this sell target, sorry, $1.17, but we could not reach this sell target and move down again. And I'm expecting once again we will start this big move and hit this sell target, because if we take a look at the daily time frame, then we have broken out a very long-term down channel. It was broken out here in the month of Feb. At the first week of Feb, we broke it out, and after breaking out this channel, we were retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support for the past several days, and still moving above this resistance. And here we can see that while we were having this move that was up to $1.17, we were also rejected by this daily 100 simple moving average as well. So we need to break out this 100 daily simple moving average resistance, even though we have broken out this resistance of the down channel. And we also have another very strong resistance of this very big descending triangle. If I again copy this resistance of the triangle and paste it here on this daily time frame, then we can see that we have very close to this 100 simple moving average, this resistance of the triangle that is approximately here at $1.17 or 18 cents. Now, if we break out the resistance, like we have already broken out the resistance of this down channel, the target is here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $1.90. But the real move will be started when we will break out this big triangle on the weekly time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.